industry witnessed some significant developments in the month of April 2022, like major investments, collaboration, and many more. This will boost the pace of growth in the coming future. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone News Express. The Ministry of Civil Aviation had again invited application for PLI scheme for drones and drone components, and the last date of receiving application was on 31st March 2022. Based on preliminary examination of these applications received, MoCA has released the first provisional list of 14 beneficiaries. ideaForge, India's one of the largest manufacturer of drones, has closed its Series B funding round of $20 million led by Florentry Advisors Private Limited. The government has approved 477 registered pesticides, including insecticides, fungicides, and plant growth regulators for commercial use through drone for 2 years. Swiggy to pilot drone deliveries for its grocery service Instamart. It has selected Garuda Aerospace, Sky Air Mobility, ANRA Technologies, TechEagle, and Maroon drones for the pilots. TechEagle Innovations launched Vertiplane X3, India's fastest hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL drone at the E-Commerce Logistics Summit 2022 in Mumbai. L&T Technology Service Limited has garnered a multi-year deal worth $100 million from Joint Air Mobility. As part of the deal, it will open an engineering and R&D center. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launched the Meher Baba Competition 2, a contest in the growing indigenous drone industry aimed at developing the drone technology. Sky Air Mobility and SRL Diagnostics started delivery trials with drones. Their first BVLOS trial take wings from Fortis FMRI Hospital to SRL Diagnostic Lab in Gurugram. At a presentation in New Delhi, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh hands over documentation of DRDO's counter-drone system to Adani Defense, L&T and others. The ESSCI Council for Skilling in Electronics has signed an MOU with Kaushalya, the Skill University, to develop a roadmap for skilled drone manpower around futuristic technologies. Mumbai-based startup One Martian Way hosts its 90th Indian Drone Racing League with young drone pilots participating from different corners of the country. As the countdown to Amarnath yatra approaches closer, the security agencies have been using their own UAVs and anti-drones to secure the yatra route. Economic Explosives Limited has developed loitering and munitions and tested it in association with Z-Motion Autonomous Systems Private Limited in the Nugra Valley area of Ladakh. DARC Dehradun offered its Knowledge Interactive Workshop Drones Rules and Regulations, Flying Operations and many more for local drone pilots on 13th April 2022. State government of Karnataka, Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh are working to roll out drones that can be used for fertilizer spraying in the next 2 to 3 months. Security forces carried out a massive anti-Naxal operation initiated by CRPF, in which the crackdown was conducted with the help of sophisticated drones. CSIR-NAL's futuristic solar-powered unmanned aerial vehicle could soon make India one of the few elite nations to have its own high-altitude platform. Dhaksha Unmanned Systems takes pride for being India's first company to appoint transgender drone pilots trained by Anna University through CSR program of IOC. TAPAS-BH-201 UAV is nearing production, which is being developed by Aeronautical Development Establishment. HAL will produce 5 TAPAS drones for user trials. Tamil Nadu's State-Run UAV Corporation would provide a large number of drone-based services, and it has received orders for supply of drones to police and fire departments. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.